Letter writing is a written mode of communication. Now, letters are divided into various types. Broadly, letters are divided into two categories. One is a formal letter and the other is the informal letter. Formal letters are a formal medium of communication. Any letter written to a principal, manager of a company, to your librarian, editor of a newspaper, municipality commissioner, or a police commissioner, etc., are categorized as formal letters. First of all, let us learn the format of a formal letter. Children, make sure you note down this format. Just after the margin or from your left hand side, you begin writing as it is over here. First comes your sender's address. Sender's address, by this we mean the person who is writing the letter. His or her address comes first. This will come in roughly 2 lines. After this, you leave a line and then you write down date. After the date, you again leave a line and you write down the receiver's address. Now, receiver's address is the address of the person to whom you are writing a letter. Receiver's address is generally written in 3 lines. First line comprises of the designation, like the principal, second line BLM Academy, third Haldwani. After receiver's address, you leave a line and you write down the subject. Now, subject is written precisely. It is a very short sentence. It is written in only one single sentence. After the subject, you leave a line and then you write down salutation. Salutation is dear sir or madam, or respected sir or madam. After the salutation comes your body of the text. The main body of the text, the main area wherein you write down the content. Now, content in this is divided into 3 paragraphs. First is the introductory paragraph. Second paragraph is you describe the problem, the situation, or you raise an issue. And in the third paragraph, you conclude your point. After this, in the next line, you write down thanking you with a full stop. After thanking you, you leave a line and then you write down yours truly, faithfully, obediently, according to the letter. And then in the next line, you write down your name, the person who is writing the letter, name of the person who writes the letter. Now, make sure, children, anywhere in sender's address, date, receiver's address, you don't use any punctuation mark in the end. Punctuation mark is used only over here in thanking you. Not even after yours faithfully. Most of the children generally have a habit of using a comma after every line. Kindly do not do it, as it is not in the standard format. For today, I expect all of you to note down this much in your fair notebook, and from tomorrow onwards, I will teach you how to write a formal letter to the principal. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay safe.